Welcome. If you're tired of constant message notification sounds on Discord, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to quickly disable message notification sounds on the Discord app for PC, following the latest update. This will help you focus, game, or chat without those distracting pings. Let's get started. First, open up your Discord app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and on the main screen where you can see your servers and chats. Next, look toward the bottom left corner of your Discord window. Here, you'll see your username and avatar. Right next to them, there's a small gear icon. This is your user settings. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open up your settings menu. Once you're in the user settings, you'll see a menu on the left side of your screen. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Notifications. Click on Notifications to open up all the notification-related options. Now, here's where you can fine-tune your experience. Under the Sounds section, you'll find a list of different notification sounds that Discord uses. Look for the one labeled Message. This is the sound that plays every time you receive a new message. To disable it, simply toggle off the switch next to Message. Once you do this, Discord will no longer play a sound when you get a new message. You'll still see message notifications pop up, but you won't hear that familiar ping anymore. And that's it. You've successfully turned off message notification sounds on Discord. This quick change can make a big difference, especially if you're part of busy servers or group chats. If you ever want to turn the sound back on, just follow these steps again and toggle the switch back on. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.